Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your earbuds LG TONE Free with a cable. And all you need to have for this is just USB-C to mini jack cable, what you receive in the package. And of course your device should have this mini jack port also. And with this method you can connect it to your PC if it doesn't have a Bluetooth module. Now connect mini jack cable to mini jack port on your device, and after that USB-C cable at the back side of the charging case. We have right here USB-C port. Now you need to open the charging case and put your earbuds to your ears. Then at the left side of the charging case we have this switch, and you need to move it to the right. You need to see this green background, this slider. And now you can use it, and you don't need to pair your earbuds with your device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.